Hey you guys, it's Leandria back with another YouTube video. I'm doing something that I don't normally do because I'm so freaking excited. I ended up getting the iPhone XS Max and I'm about to do an unboxing for you guys. I'm so hyped. I've been waiting all day for this shit to be delivered in the mail and it finally came. So I'm gonna do the unboxing for you. So this is pretty much how it, comes, same old stuff. This is how it looks. So, taking off the plastic and stuff. So this, it's the iPhone XS Max, and it's 256 gigs because I have the iPhone 7 Plus right now, and I think this is either 32 or 64 gigs. But all I know is I take so many pictures and videos and I have so many apps and stuff to where it's not nearly enough. So I went with the 256 gig. So the price of this is about, I believe it's like $12.49 for the 256 gig. I did not buy no Apple Care. Only because like I've had this phone literally for I want to say like a year and 9 months and I've never needed Apple Care at all, so we good. And also I have the same little case on here that I got from Amazon. It was only $10, and I'll put the link below of the case or whatever because it's super cheap and it lasts. I mean, I've had this on for almost 2 years and we good. Like my phone is in perfect condition. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. So, you're gonna want to take it off, the top off super carefully, and then you got like this situation going on. So this is, oh, okay, yes, the manual and all that crap, stuff that people will never look at again after they get the phone, So there she is. I went and got the gold one. And it's beautiful. It's so bomb. It's so bomb. I was thinking about getting just the XS, but I was like, I'm so used to this phone. And I mean, look, like they're the same exact size. So it was just like, I'm already used to a big phone anyway. So I might as well just, stick with it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try, like, while I have you guys on right quick, I'm gonna try to like transfer stuff really quick. So it comes of course with these little, charger and shitty headphones, and this time it's saying and now everyone's saying, oh my god, it didn't come with an adapter, oh my god, you have to buy stuff and blah blah blah. But it's actually not an issue for me because everything that I do is wireless. Like if I want to listen to music, I have my Dre Beats, they're wireless. In my car, my Bluetooth is on, so it's wireless. So that's not really an issue. I'm not buying that $9 thing. Because honestly, I mean, who really uses these anymore? Like for real. But yeah, so anyway, so I'm gonna try to transfer my phone really quick so you guys can see how easy it is. And then yeah, so let's take a look. My setup, my makeup table is not the cleanest, okay? Like damn, like I don't want to hear it. So anyway, so my phone on. Okay. So hello, it says. Let's turn this light off. Yeah, I think that looks better. Okay. Okay, we gotta pick English because I didn't know what the hell that was about. Set up new phone. Yes. Waiting on the other phone. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Oh god, I don't know. Waiting on other phone. Position this image in the frame of your other iPhone. So what the fuck I'm doing that? What's the problem? Oh my god. Oh god, I'm So there you go, like finish on new iPhone, enter passcode. Okay, so it's setting up. Like I figured it out, and I think it's just like doing its thing. I really didn't have to do much at all. And I mean, the phone looks amazing. It says it may take up to a few minutes, but I mean, my God, like, anyway, my new case is coming in the mail tomorrow, my cheap ass one from Amazon. But I'm telling you, I'm gonna put the link below because honestly, it's probably the best case that I've had in all my years of having a phone. Like the screen is really good on this one, and I've dropped it several times, so you'll see. Face ID, we'll set that up later. Let's play with the camera. Let's see how the selfies are with this good lighting. Let's see if it hurries up and sets up. Restore from, hell yeah. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll put keep your phone up to date, get the latest features, blah blah blah, will receive notification before updating. Okay, cool. Time, don't share. See without True Tone. Oh, we need True Tone for sure. And everything is pretty much set up. Like all the apps are loading, like literally just like that, which is super easy. So far I can tell that I'm gonna love the phone. I've had the 7 Plus for like almost 2 years, so I kind of skipped a couple iPhones, you know what I'm saying, and it was time. So I'm super excited. You know, like the camera quality and all that, I can't wait to see how that is. Yeah, so I feel like this was a great investment, and I'm gonna have this phone till the goddamn wheels fall off because iPhone is not slick. I know another one is literally coming out, I want to say in less than a month. But yeah, they're not getting none of my coin, okay? And I honestly feel like the XR is for, you know, like maybe the teenagers, because the camera isn't as good, and I think they have like LCD glass or whatever, so it's not as good as this. So you probably, that's something you want to get for a teenager. But for a grown adult like me, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna have this phone, I'm gonna love it, you know, until the wheels fall off before iPhone gets another coin out of me, okay? Anyway, I'm just rambling. I love the phone. I'm so glad that I got it. It finally came. I've been waiting all day for this shit. But yeah, so yeah. Bye now.